This new sedan Ryzen F7, for him to ask $45,000 and for the entire history of the automobile industry has never given such technology for such money. The car has 33 sensors, there is autopilot, there is auto parking, 4-wheel drive, 2 electric motors, 544 horsepower, frameless door, double glass, very high quality leatherette, the touch is nicer than regular leather made by Napa technology. Well-assembled seat control map, 16 speakers and 2 speakers in the headrest for the driver. As you see the design of this screen stolen Mercedes Benz EQS while made better assembly of this car in some places better than the EQS.